Hello, this video is actually for my wife and it's to teach her how to make the coffee that we make in the house. First thing is, if you want to make coffee for yourself, you only have to measure 15 grams and that gives you 1 cup. After you've measured the coffee, you can then measure the water for 300 mils. Just make sure that you boil the kettle ahead of time, okay? If I'm making for the both of us or you're making for the both of us, then it's 30 grams, right? 30 grams of coffee. And it's 600 mils of water that you have to measure off. Okay, now after you've measured it off, then you put a timer on. You've got a kitchen timer, or you can just use a timer on your phone. I'll set it for 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, there's gonna be a layer of coffee on top. Then you have to stir that layer, and then you put another timer on for another 6 minutes. When that 6 minutes is over, only then do you press the top, right? Only then, only then do you like press the top down, right, until it hits the surface of a coffee, and then you can pour it because it's basically a sieve for the coffee, and then you can enjoy. So yeah, I hope this tutorial is useful for anybody, including my wife. Cheers.